Ever felt like your air conditioner just isn't listening to you? You change the temperature, but nothing happens? Or maybe your home turns into a freezer and just won't stop cooling? Well, your thermostat might be the culprit. Let's walk through 7 clear signs that your AC thermostat might be bad and what they actually mean. 1. AC won't turn on at all. You set the thermostat to cool, drop the temp, and nothing. The AC just sits there, silent. Why? The thermostat isn't sending the start signal to your system. Could be something simple like dead batteries, a tripped breaker, or it might be completely fried inside. 2. AC won't turn off. Now flip the scenario. The AC just keeps running, even when your home feels like the inside of a fridge. What's going on? Your thermostat might be misreading the room's temperature or stuck in the on mode. Either way, it's not telling your AC to take a break. 3. Short cycling. Ever hear your AC turning on and off every few minutes? That's short cycling and it's not good. Why it happens? Your thermostat might be confused. It could be reading rapid temp changes that don't exist, or a loose wire could be messing with the signal. This puts serious stress on your AC's compressor. 4. Inaccurate temperature reading. If the thermostat says it's 72 degrees Fahrenheit, but it feels like 80 degrees Fahrenheit, you've got a problem. The issue? The internal sensor might be off, miscalibrated, or just plain dirty. A little dust inside the thermostat can throw off its entire reading. 5. Room temperature doesn't match the setting, so you set the thermostat, but your home never quite hits the right temperature. Either it stays too warm, or gets colder than it should. What's causing it? Again, it could be a sensor issue, or the thermostat isn't telling your AC when to stop or start properly. 6. Unresponsive controls. You press buttons, nothing changes. Or the screen flickers but doesn't do anything. What's up? This could be an electronic failure, software bug for smart thermostats, or calibration drift. Basically, your thermostat is unresponsive and no longer in control. 7. Blank or flickering display. If the screen is flickering, very dim, or totally blank, it's usually a power issue. Most likely causes dead batteries, loose wiring, or your HVAC system isn't getting power due to a tripped breaker or a blown fuse. If it's hardwired, that blank screen is a red flag. In the last, fan won't turn on or off. Your AC is on, but no air is coming out. Or maybe the fan never turns off. That's usually the fan control inside the thermostat not doing its job. Tip: check if your fan setting is on auto, not stuck on. Your thermostat might be small, but it's the brain of your AC system. If you notice any of these signs, it might be time for a replacement, or at least a closer look. Keep cool, stay smart, and if this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more home tips.